Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix the joiner Roblox problem. It's really simple to solve, so let's begin. First, we gotta go to this page that you're looking on the screen, exactly how you're seeing, and then it's really simple. We just have to go to our profile, and here on our profile, what we want to do is to copy this ID that you're seeing here is our user ID, and we have to paste it right here. And then we copy this other key, just simply click this button, and then we have to paste it right here. And here we have to make a simple 4 digits code, and then we put it OK. It's gonna open this window as you can see, and here we have to right click first, and then we have to go to inspect. Here on inspect we have to go to network, and here on network, when we're here, all we gotta do is to just simply reload the first page, this right here, and then when we reload we click here on this red word that you're seeing. We right click here, and then we go to copy, and here on copy URL bash. So once we click that, we just gotta close this, and then as you can see, automatically it's going to start charging. Then when it's done, the problem is solved and fixed. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.